May Barbie products. This is my mom's bar. It's a Barbie. And this is mine. It's so cute. Cool. It's so pretty. In the feet, look. Yun. Diba? This one is conditioner. It's a Barbie. This one is a shampoo. It's a Barbie too. This one is for skincare, for body. It's a Lush.